Hello and welcome to the Open News, the weekly show where we cover all things open source and tech. In today's episode we have some really interesting stories. We have everything from Bleachbit getting a new update to LibreOffice using native GTK Dialogs. All that and more right now on Linux Lounge. Well, first up we have this. Open source disk cleaner application Bleachbit gets first update after 19 months. Indeed, Bleachbit has been updated after 19 months. Honestly, I was beginning to think that this one had been abandoned. It's great to see that it hasn't though, considering how good Bleachbit actually is. Interestingly, this new update to Bleachbit is far more than a maintenance and bug fix update. A few things have actually been added. One of the most useful features is that you can now drag and drop files into Bleachbit to shred them, which is incredibly useful. Bleachbit has also now improved support for web browser cleaning, and that's really just the tip of the iceberg. Bleachbit 2.0 adds several other new fixes and features. I'll have a more in-depth article in the description if you want something a bit more detailed. Well, next up we have this. Sailfish OS 3.0 announced. Indeed, Sailfish OS version 3.0 has been announced. For those who don't know, Sailfish OS is a kind of alternative mobile operating system developed by Jolla. It's somewhat similar to Ubuntu Touch in many ways. Now, as for what this update actually adds, well, all the usual stuff really. Improved multitasking, improved performance, some new APIs and some new security features. But what I find most interesting here is Sailfish OS now has a whole new user interface for feature phones. Apparently these Sailfish feature phones will be a lot more powerful than regular phones. I mean, software wise. The things will even be capable of running certain Android apps. But I really must say it's great to see a company give such major support for feature phones. And honestly, I think they're coming back in as a product category. So who knows, perhaps Sailfish OS will really take off on feature phones. Well, finally we have this. LibreOffice will use native GTK Dialogs on Linux. Well, this here is interesting. LibreOffice will now use native GTK Dialogs on Linux. And to be honest, I didn't really know that they used anything other than GTK Dialogs, but apparently they do, which would explain why it looks a little bit off. But anyway, this here is obviously not a major improvement, but it does suggest to me that LibreOffice are currently working heavily on the UI aspect of the program, you know, with the new icon theme, ribbon UI and that sort of thing. But either way, it's great to see that this program is focusing so much on polish. Well, that's all we have time for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, press that little bell icon to get notified of future uploads, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.